Supply the proper form, comparative or superlative of the adjective given in brackets. Initially in the previous exercise we had to identify whether it is positive, comparative or superlative degree and also pick out the adjective. In this exercise what we have to do? The positive is given and we have to give the comparative degree word and superlative degree word over here. Also need to identify whether it will be comparative sentence or superlative. Two things we have to do. So June is dash then any other month. Here comparison is happening, then is given. Hot is your positive word, so what we will write? Hotter. Okay. June is hotter than any month, any other month. Next one. Honor is dash to him then life, dear. So here comparison is happening. Dearer is the comparative degree. You can also write hotter is your answer, which will come in the blank, and you can write down comparative degree. Here also dearer and comparative degree. He is the dash man in our town, rich, the, okay, and talking about entire town and one person is richest. Rich. So here the word, so we have to talk about superlative degree. So here richest is your word, superlative form, and then write down superlative degree. He is the dash friend I have. Good. Now not gooder or goodest or more good or most good. What will come? Good, better, best. And this is superlative. So the dash friend I have means from all the friends he is the best friend. So best is your word and it is superlative degree. He is the dash boy of the two. Bad. Okay, now again here the is used but still comparison is happening between the two. Okay, so what we will do here, bad, we will use worse, not worst. Worse, it's a comparative degree without using the word then. Iron is dash than any other metal. Useful, again useful is your 6-letter word. We will use more useful. Iron is more useful and then comparative degree. Okay. Gold is the dash of all metals. Now here of all metals, precious. So and the word is also given. Okay. Among all, gold is the most precious. Superlative. I am writing short form. You need to write down in full form. Who is the dash living poet? Great. And we are talking about entire thing, right? Or from all the poets. So great will become what? Greatest. And the word the is also used. So who? No comparison between two or single person, but we are talking about everybody. So greatest. Who is the greatest living poet? SD means superlative degree. Her doll is dash than yours. Pretty. So you will say prettier. You are comparing between two persons, two things, right? So and the word then is also given, so prettier. Also see the rules that we are forming, students. Doubling the last letter and then adding IER, right? This is CD means comparative degree. It was the dash moment of my life, proud. And now here talking about from all the moments, that was the proud moment. So the is superlative and proudest. Okay, it's SD, proudest moment. Money is 2 years dash than Rati. Now comparison between Mani and Rati, two persons only. So old will become older and this is your CD, comparative degree. Hari is the dash boy in the school. Now here talking about from all the boys, right? More than two. So idler, idlest. Okay, means the idlest, superlative degree. There is no animal dash than the tiger, ferocious. There is no animal, now comparison happening between two Okay, here more ferocious, because the letter is more than 6, word is more than 6 letters, so more ferocious, and write down CD. The patient is dash than he was yesterday, ill. Now you will not write iller or illest, more iller, no, don't make that mistake. Ill and bad is same, so you can have worse or worst. And here comparison happening between yesterday and today. Okay, so ill will become worse. The patient is worse than he was yesterday, and this is your comparative degree CD. This is the dash price I can take. Little. Little also, not littler, littlest, or more littler, more little, more little, most littles. No. It will come less and least. But here the word the is used, so we'll use least is your superlative degree. This is the least price I can take. Okay students, you don't have to use short forms. I'm again saying you need to write down in complete full letters, full words. Okay, so here we complete the degrees of comparison. Practice hard, and we'll soon come back with a revision. Till then, have a very good day.